Thrills and surprises. Extremely dangerous challenges. Video games in real life. Cutting-edge technology. All will be revealed. Get ready for this adventure. This man and his team are undertaking a challenging task, felling a giant tree in a residential area. Let's see how they do it. This is the result of teamwork and practical experience in complex urban environments. Take a look at this modern technology. The giant circular saw rotates on precise slatting rails. Automated positioning system ensures accuracy for each cut. Look at this truck carrying massive timber logs. The vehicle looks tiny compared to the enormous logs above. It seems like the truck could tip over at any moment. Impressive driving skills in handling this challenging transport. Check out this grinding machine. Its grinding head works like a drill bit plunging into the tree stump. Each rotation cuts wood like cake slices continuously flowing from the stump. Truly impressive. This modern grinding technology enables rapid and efficient land clearing. Watch this giant machine. Large logs disappear into its massive grinding mouth. The durable grinding teeth process all types of wood without hindrance. Do you think this wood grinder deserves a spot on the beast list? Share your thoughts below. Check out this wood splitter. This is a vertical splitter. It can split logs as tall as half a person. Smart design allows processing large wood without much manual effort. This truck is hauling and dragging timber through a waterlogged forest. Hard to tell if this is a road or a stream anymore. The terrain is truly challenging. This truck demonstrates an incredible display of power and tenacity in facing these harsh obstacles. Let's explore this traditional sawmill. The giant saw blade moves steadily, creating perfect cuts. Each log is guided through the saw blade with the precision and patience of skilled craftsmen. Traditional techniques combined with modern technology create superior quality. Watch this experienced logger's felling technique. In the bone-chilling cold of the forest, he still demonstrates mastery with each cut. Through years in the profession, each movement is calculated to ensure absolute safety, and this is the moment of the master at work. Take a look at this machine. The excavator arm moves flexibly, detecting and pulling out each stubborn tree stump. Do you see how this machine turns heavy work into an easy task? In harsh conditions of the burnt forest, the logger still demonstrates masterful skills. Each precise cut helps him quickly complete the task in this challenging environment. This track tractor is trying to pull a heavily loaded timber trailer through extremely muddy terrain. Seems almost impossible. The engine roars powerfully, inching forward to conquer nature's challenges. But I believe its power and tenacity will ultimately prevail. What do you think? Observe this advanced technology. Precise and razor-sharp blades delimbing and debarking trees in one seamless operation. Automation technology optimizes each operation, enhancing harvesting productivity. Check out this hydraulic system. Powerful pressure transforms hard logs into uniform firewood. Automatic safety systems ensure operator protection at all times. The wood grinder is operating at full capacity. Long logs are fed in bundles. It can grind multiple trees simultaneously. This is an incredibly efficient non-stop grinder. Nothing can slow down its pace. Want more exciting content like this? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.